Our main challenge is to protect goods from damage, moisture. During the entire logistics chain, one package is handled by forklift approximately 7 times. So therefore, the packaging should be very durable. Our core business is birch plywood. We sell plywood to approximately 60 countries.
Crosswrap is a more than 30 years old technology company focusing on bale handling and wrapping solutions. We have provided 3 packing lines for plywood. They are complete lines with the in-feed conveyors, wrapping unit, weighing and labeling, and outfeed conveyors. And we are about to deliver the 4th one during this year. Typically, the wrapping line makes horizontal and vertical wrapping so that the packages are airtight, robust and good looking. And those packages are ready to be shipped for the end customers. With the Crosswrap solutions, we can have a fully automated line which is flexible with the dimensions of the packages, and everything needed is done in one line and with one packing material.
Uz iekārtas strādā viens operators, un operatoram ir tikai 2 uzdevumi, kad nepieciešams uz padeves galda novietot attiecīgās brusas attiecīgajam klientam, kā arī izprintēt etiķeti, kura tiks uzlīmēta uz pakas. Un tad visu pārējo spēj nodrošināt pati iekārta.
We can optimize the material usage. Film usage can be optimized depending on if the pack is shipped abroad, it needs more protection. If it's shipped to the local markets, protection can be less.
Šobrīd, pateicoties šai iekārtai, mēs spējam ražot iepakojumu tikai no viena veida materiāla. Līdz ar to tas samazina izmaksas gan mums, gan arī mūsu klientiem.
Adapt the packaging for each means of transportation is quite challenging. So therefore, one unique method by Crosswrap solves the issue. So I think that's an important aspect of the Crosswrap packaging.
Dabai draudzīgāks iepakojums noteikti ir tas virziens, uz kuru mums ir jādodas, un attiecīgi paka ir pilnībā noslēgta, un klients saņem to produktu, ko viņš arī vēlās saņemt. Līdz ar to mums arī iekšēji ir daudz mierīgāks prāts saistībā ar klientu saņemto produkciju. Ir tikai labākās atsauksmes par Crosswrap komandas iekārtas uzstādīšanu. Crosswrap speciālisti vienmēr bija pieejami jebkurā dienas laikā, it īpaši iekārtas palaišanas brīdī.
Overall, I think the Crosswrap saves resources on our side and also on the customer side.